Ancient cave paintings, a window into our prehistoric past. For thousands of years, humans have sought to understand their world by capturing it through artistic expression. Ancient artists used their surroundings as inspiration, leaving behind paintings that provide an extraordinary glimpse into the minds of our ancestors. These artworks, created tens of thousands of years ago, connect us to early humans in profound ways, revealing how they perceived their environment, their beliefs, and their daily lives. Cave paintings are more than just relics of the past. They are the earliest records of human creativity and communication. The caves that house these magnificent artworks serve as natural time capsules, preserving evidence of the thoughts, fears, and rituals of prehistoric societies. Unlike modern art, which often focuses on self-expression, prehistoric cave paintings had deeper, more functional meanings. Many scholars believe these paintings were created for ritualistic purposes, possibly to summon successful hunts or communicate spiritual beliefs. Others suggest that they were a form of early storytelling, passing down knowledge from one generation to the next. Regardless of their exact purpose, these artworks remain some of the most compelling remnants of early human culture. Early artists employed a variety of techniques, using natural pigments such as red and yellow ochre, charcoal, and manganese. Their tools ranged from primitive brushes made of animal hair to their own fingers, which they used to smear and blend colors directly onto the cave walls. These artists often took advantage of the natural contours of rock surfaces, using them to enhance the three-dimensionality of their subjects. The images they left behind include handprints, abstract symbols, and, most commonly, depictions of animals, many of which were crucial to their survival. The following caves represent some of the most significant examples of prehistoric art, offering a remarkable testament to early human creativity and ingenuity. Each cave tells its own story, reflecting the cultural and environmental conditions of the time. Apollo 11 Cave, Namibia. Nestled in the Huns Mountains of Namibia, the Apollo 11 Cave is one of the oldest known sites of prehistoric art in Africa. Discovered in 1969, this cave was named after the Apollo 11 moon landing, as archaeologists uncovered it in the same year humans took their first steps on the moon. The cave's painted stone slabs, dating back approximately 25,000 years, offer a fascinating glimpse into early African artistry. The paintings primarily depict animals, including cattle, antelope, and possibly extinct species, all rendered in red, ochre, and charcoal. The figures are striking in their simplicity yet display a keen awareness of proportion and movement. These artworks suggest that early humans were not only observant hunters but also deeply engaged in symbolic thinking. Alongside the paintings, researchers discovered stone tools and bone fragments, indicating that this site was not merely an art gallery but also a place of habitation. The Apollo 11 cave continues to shed light on the development of early human cognition and artistic expression. Shulgantash Cave, Kopova Cave, Russia. Hidden deep in the Ural Mountains of Russia, Shulgantash Cave, also known as Kopova Cave, is a striking example of Paleolithic art. Dating back roughly 14,000 years, this site contains beautifully preserved red and ochre paintings that feature large animals such as bison, horses, and woolly rhinoceroses. The level of detail in these paintings suggests that their creators had a deep understanding of the animals they relied upon for food, clothing, and tools. The cave was officially discovered in 1959, and since then, researchers have uncovered not only paintings but also evidence of human activity, including tools and remnants of hearths. Some experts believe that the cave was used for ritual purposes, as certain paintings appear in areas that would have been difficult to access. The remote location of Shulgantash Cave has helped preserve its artwork, making it one of the most significant prehistoric sites in Russia. Cueva de Ardales, Spain. Located in the province of Malaga, Spain, Cueva de Ardales contains some of the oldest known cave paintings in Europe, dating back more than 65,000 years. These paintings are particularly significant because they suggest that Neanderthals, not just modern humans, were capable of producing symbolic art. Inside the cave, visitors can find red handprints, geometric shapes, and depictions of animals such as deer and horses. The handprints, created by blowing pigment over hands pressed against the rock surface, serve as eerie remnants of individuals who lived long before written history. The presence of abstract markings suggests that early humans or Neanderthals may have used symbols to communicate ideas. The cave was first discovered in the early 19th century, and ongoing excavations continue to reveal more about the lives of its ancient artists. Tadrat Akakis, Libya. The Tadrat Akakis mountain range in southwestern Libya is home to one of the most extensive collections of prehistoric rock art in Africa. These paintings and engravings, dating back as far as 12,000 years, depict a wide variety of subjects, from wild animals such as giraffes and elephants to human figures engaged in social activities like dancing and herding. The vibrant colors and intricate details of the artwork provide valuable insights into the climate and biodiversity of the Sahara before it became a desert. The presence of domesticated animals in some of the later paintings indicates the transition from a hunter-gatherer lifestyle to a pastoral society. Tadrat Akakis is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its significance in understanding early African civilizations. Underscore 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 Fontagorme, France. One of the most well-preserved prehistoric sites in France, Fontagorme contains over 200 polychrome paintings, including depictions of bison, reindeer, and horses. Dating back approximately 17,000 years, these paintings are remarkable for their use of shading and perspective, techniques that were highly advanced for their time. Unlike many prehistoric sites, Fontagorme is still open to the public, though access is limited to preserve the fragile artwork. The cave was first discovered in 1901, and since then, archaeologists have continued to study its complex imagery and possible meanings. The sophisticated use of color and engraving suggests that these early artists had a deep understanding of both their subjects and the artistic process. Pech-Merle, France. Pech-Merle, located in southwestern France, is home to a spectacular array of cave paintings that date back nearly 25,000 years. Among the most famous images are the Dotted Horses, a striking composition featuring two horses adorned with black spots, surrounded by handprints and abstract shapes. The cave also contains human figures and hunting scenes, providing a well-rounded view of early human life. The handprints in Pech-Merle were created by pressing pigment-covered hands